Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer iCloud Keychain to Windows with iCloud for Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Launch your Windows PC. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Apple website. Search for iCloud for Windows. Download the iCloud for Windows software. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install iCloud for Windows. After installation, open iCloud from your Start menu. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Make sure you enable the Keychain feature in the iCloud settings. Click on the Apply button to save your changes. Now, on your Mac, open System Preferences. Select your Apple ID. Click on iCloud in the sidebar. Ensure that Keychain is enabled on your Mac. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Next, return to your Windows PC. Open iCloud for Windows again, ensuring you are still signed in. Look for the Passwords option. Click on Manage next to the Passwords section. This will open a new window showing your saved passwords from iCloud Keychain. Select the passwords you wish to transfer. You can copy them individually or choose to export them if the option is available. As an additional measure, you might also want to write down important passwords manually. Once you have transferred the desired passwords, you can access them on your Windows PC. To manage passwords on Windows, you can utilize a password manager if you prefer. Make sure all passwords are securely stored and easily accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.